2506 Fortune. First update video. Just got this one. Let me go inside. We got this thing rolling. Christmas week. So I'll get all the invoices and stuff to you shortly when I get back. So let me go down. They kind of started here. Each rolling good too, by the way. You can see here's all the paint and all that stuff, but got everything rolling on this. So gotta do some sheetrock. They've done some primering in here too, get rid of that stuff. So I'm gonna call them tomorrow though, and I want them to focus on that top unit, which they're working on now. I just want to get that finished, but you can see that was the blue, so we're just priming it out. Here's this, and so we got a guy coming in spraying that 23rd. So that's what he's gonna start working on. Here's all the dry lock for your basement and everything, which he hasn't done that yet, but he's got all that. I'm not gonna go down the basement because he really hasn't done anything down there yet, but I'll go upstairs here. See here, he's painted that. Let me show you the hallway here. So always getting all painted, and he's getting this all done. We also spray the ceilings, make sure that all the ceilings are done, and he's covering everything up, making sure the paint doesn't get on it. And again, he's getting all these cabinets sprayed. We just started, so he's keeping all the lights right here. So place it'll look good when we're done. But we started. I want to get you a video showing that we did start it and got it going. And nice unit, really nice unit. Nice big bedrooms. We got some new flooring in here. And here's your penthouse bathroom. So it's your first video. I'll get you one next week. And again, thanks for your business, and I can't wait to get this one done. Look forward to doing more. Hope to have this one done in about 3 weeks. Thanks.